On from News 5.
Ay, okay.
Doc, I know still it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Diba
yes,
po?
habol kami.
Doc, gaano kahalaga itong CBC not just for the cancer patients themselves but for their families din?
Yes, oo. Hindi lang pati cancer patients kasi that CBCC is for all women with breast problems. So what we're trying to do here is kasi mostly may mga delays sa treatment, diagnosis that causes anxiety, di ba? Also the delay in treatment that could result to less parang outcomes that are not what we want. Kaya lang, ito, parang ang ginagawa namin is when the patient comes, nandun na yung doktor, andun na yung imaging, same day, pwede na rin mabasa yung plaka. If the patient needs biopsy, we'll do the biopsy. And then once it's cancer, kasi never naman gagaling ang breast cancer with just surgeon or medical oncologist lang or rad-onco. Parang it's a multidisciplinary. It should be managed by different specialties. So what we're doing is we will parang get na all the specialties needed, and then with one consult magpaplano na ng tamang plan kasi minsan iba-iba din yung naiisip, but what is best for the patient, magdi-discuss na yung mga doctors and then present it for planning na yung treatment plan that the multidisciplinary team came up will already be presented to the patient. Of course, not all recommendations will be followed, but kasama dun sa multidisciplinary team is the patient herself. Kasi she would want to decide on what needs to be done to her, di ba? So yun yung concept namin na paiikliin din ng St. Luke's lahat ng laboratories, mabilis lumabas yung result. Because the anxiety, of waiting, di ba? Of the delays. Ang dami nga mga patients yan. 2 taon inalagaan yung bukol. Pagpunta sa'yo, Dok, yung 2 days, sobrang delay yan. Baka naman kung ano na mangyari sa akin. Kasi nga, alam nila yon. And for the family members, well, it depends on the patients if they want to involve the family. Pero when we will conduct MDT, all family members who will be part of the patient's decision-making will be invited also. Para non all questions can be addressed at the same time.